anyone about me without talking to me first.
The arms of another woman is not the place I want. If I was not able to have you, then no one else can.
This minute I am me, the other minute I'm a monster. What's really happening?
We had an agreement, and I stand firmly on that agreement.
This is what I want to say, that you're a spirit. Go and investigate it. Go and investigate it. Everywhere I come from is an abomination for everybody to kill themselves.
You are not going anywhere, for your end has come.
You useless woman. And you must have to be very careful the kind of things you say before me.
I'm not part of this in any way.